Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. I'm going to be trying Prima Marketing's Artisan Powder for the first time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I have never tried Prima Marketing's aging dust or its antiquing powder. So this is in the blush. I actually ordered the blue first and it didn't come. So I got the blush right away and I wanted to try it. So I've got a frame that I have painted blue and I've done a little distressing already on it, and I want to get that pink blush in these cracks and crevices. Now you're gonna watch me try it for the first time. I've never tried it. I haven't watched any tutorials on it. I just read the directions on the side of this can, which is pretty tiny actually, so got the bifocals running today. Lightly dust powder onto resins, wood, paper, or any surface to create an antique vintage look, to reveal textures, details, and cracks on any surface. So I've seen like aging dust, and it's literally like a brown dust that looks like dirt. And this is just a different effect. It doesn't look dirty. It's a color. So you can see, I did open it. I haven't taken the protective coat off, but it is a blush. So it almost looks like blush powder. But my understanding is that they use this for like multimedia stuff. You can get it wet and use it on paper and things like that. I didn't wax this. I haven't clear coated this. I haven't done anything to this frame. It is a blue chalk paint over the original dark brown finish. I had painted this as part of the 100 Projects 100 Day Challenge. And then I didn't like the fact that I lost all this lovely detail in here, this ridge detail. So I pulled a little bit of the paint off, but I want to get that dust in there to bring out all this wonderful, wonderful detail, and I'm hoping it works. I'm hoping it sticks. Like, I don't know how it's supposed to stick in there. And my understanding, again, so from the back of the packaging, was that you just take a brush, and I've got a clean, fluffy little brush here, and dust it on dry. It said dry, and I'm like, how's it gonna stick? So maybe I should have watched a tutorial. Oh, to heck with it. Let's just do it. Okay, I've got it set up so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna pull that protective coat off first. Okay, so there it is. Oh, it sticks to the bristles pretty good. Let's just... All right, hang on, let me see if I can get you up close. Okay, so in here, where I kind of brush it off, you can see it sticking in those paint grooves right there. All right, I'm gonna finish the whole thing and we'll see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna stop halfway through just because I want to show you. So let's get some better light on there. So here's without the dust and here's with the dust. So you can see it's really lightening up the finish and it's giving it sort of a pink hue over the blue. I like it. I'm liking it. Interesting. I wonder what it would do on wax. Now I want to wax it a little bit. All right, we're gonna finish this. Okay, I like it, but I tried this on a clothespin. So what I did was I took a dark wax and then I put it in the crevice of the dark wax. Let's see if I can get this focus. That's better. And I like this better. So I'm gonna dark wax this and try again. I like it with the wax better. It's sticking and it's just slightly darker than it was before. So you can really see it now in the cracks and crevices. I'm going to get this clear coated and I'll take an after picture, but I'm enjoying what's happening here. wish I had clear wax, but that's my fault, not the product's fault. I like the way it's sticking more with the wax than it did with the dry. So, you know, that's not their fault. That's my fault. I didn't have any clear wax. So next time I'm going to definitely use clear wax. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the link below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you're notified of new videos. And if you haven't yet gotten your Happy Junkin or Junkin Buddy t-shirts, and of course the other shirts available, click the links below. It supports me, it supports this channel, and I'm so grateful for everyone who's already gotten their Happy Junkin shirts. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.